To another video, and as always, we're going to be doing a tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. So stay tuned. We're going to be making a ruffled scrunchie. Here is the scrunchie that I have. You don't have to use this big of a scrunchie, but this is what I have right now. I'm going to use this mainstay yarn. It's a pink mixture. And this is going to be a quick tutorial. It's not going to be drawn out. So let's get right into it. So we have our scrunchie. There isn't a set amount of single crochets you're going to make around the scrunchie. You just do to whatever you feel comfortable, till it closes up, till it meets back at the beginning point. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to slip stitch around the scrunchie, or you can make a slip knot before. And then bring it around, slip stitch in here. And then we're just going to go all the way around the scrunchie doing single crochets. My scrunchie's bigger, so I'm going to do more single crochets than you. And I like this yarn because the color is going to change. Uh-oh, I almost dropped my juice. And that's basically what I'm going to do. And so, guys, I'm going to come back once I have all of my single crochets on. And these, don't worry about it being shown because everything is going to be together once I'm done. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so once you get the scrunchie looking like this, what you're going to do is you're going to slip stitch into your first single crochet, chain one, and then in the second single crochet you're going to put 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. So now we have 3 double crochets, and you're just going to put 3 double crochets in every stitch going around the whole scrunchie. For every single crochet there will be 3 double crochets. And we're going to do that all the way around. To start forming our ruffles. All right, guys, sorry for the background noise. I have children, so either way. So now you guys can see how it's looking. You can see that the scrunchie has a little bend to it. And that's what it should be looking like. I'm gonna do another row of 3 double crochets in each stitch. So I already slip stitched, so now I'm just gonna do the same thing over again, and I'll meet you guys back once we get back to the beginning again. Okay, guys, so after you finished your second row of 3 double crochets in each stitch, this is what it should be looking like. Pretty. This is what it should be looking like. I paused so that way I can get my thumbnail in. All right, this is what it should be looking like, and all you do is slip stitch the ends in. I weave, not slip stitch the ends in, slip stitch when you're done, and then you weave in your ends. It should be 2 ends unless you tuck the first one. And honestly, this will look like it's pretty, it's big. You can do as many rows as you want. You can use whatever hook size you want, whatever colors you want, whatever size scrunchie you want. You guys saw how big my scrunchie was in the beginning, and this is what it's looking like right now. I think it came out really nice. The ruffles are a great size. This is what it's looking like on my wrist. You can wear it on your hair. You can wear it as an arm accessory. If you have long sleeves, you can make 2 of these and then put it on your arm, and then it will be like a little cuff on the sleeve. You could attach it to the sleeve. You cannot attach it to the sleeve. It's really not that serious. But thank you guys for watching my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to do more quick tutorials. I have to think of some things. If there's a tutorial you want to see and you just need it to be straight to the point, let me know, and then I'll try to get that video in for you guys. But as always, thank you for watching my videos. This is part of my beauty crochet, and I'm out. But this is so nice.